What if I told you that one humble plant growing in a pot on your windowsill was once worth its weight in silver? Long ago, when the gods still walked among mortals, Athena watched humanity struggle with wounds, harsh sun, and the hardships of life. From the warm earth sprang a remarkable plant whose leaves held cool crystal medicine within. Aphrodite blessed it with beauty, Demeter blessed it with life, and Athena blessed it with wisdom. Mortals would come to know this gift as aloe vera, the healing plant that has survived for thousands of years. The pharaohs knew its soothing grace, and queens would smooth it on their face. Its crystal gel, so cool and clear, was treasured more with every year. The name aloe vera carries a fascinating story that spans several ancient cultures. The word aloe is believed to come from the Arabic word aloe, meaning shining bitter substance, referring to the yellow sap found beneath the plant's skin. Some scholars trace related words even further back to ancient languages used around the Red Sea and Arabian Peninsula, where the plant likely originated. The second part of the name, vera, comes from Latin and means true or genuine. Together, aloe vera can be understood as the true aloe, a plant so treasured that Egyptian Queen Nefertiti used it to preserve her beauty. Legend says that Queen Cleopatra and Queen Nefertiti used aloe gel as part of their daily beauty rituals to maintain soft, radiant skin. Cleopatra applied aloe vera to her face and body as part of her daily routine. For Cleopatra, aloe vera was more than a cosmetic. It represented youth, vitality, luxury, and the healing power of the natural world. Perhaps that is why, thousands of years later, people still associate aloe vera with beauty, wellness. Aloe was certainly prized throughout ancient Egypt. The Egyptians admired the plant so much that they called it the plant of immortality. Some pharaohs were even buried with aloe vera among their treasures, believing it would accompany them into the afterlife. Greek physicians carried it into battle to heal wounded soldiers, and ancient civilizations called it the plant of immortality, reflecting its sacred status. Through scorching days and rainless years, it quietly survives our fears. A silent healer, calm and wise, reflecting blue and golden skies. Aloe vera. For thousands of years, aloe has been celebrated as a healer, a beauty secret, and even a sacred gift from the gods. Today, modern science continues to study many of the same benefits that ancient people discovered long ago. Let's travel back through time and uncover the remarkable story of aloe vera. The ancient history of aloe vera. Aloe vera's story begins thousands of years ago in the dry regions of the Arabian Peninsula and northeastern Africa. Ancient records suggest that aloe vera was already being used more than 4,000 years ago. The plant eventually spread through trade routes into Rome, India, China, and beyond. Historically, aloe vera did have a genuine connection to the Greek world. Ancient Greek physician Dioscorides described aloe in his famous herbal work, De Materia Medica, written in the 1st century AD. There is also a famous story that Alexander the Great was advised by Aristotle to secure sources of aloe on the island of Socotra so wounded soldiers could be treated with it. One famous story tells of Alexander the Great conquering an island rich in aloe plants, so his army would have a steady supply of medicine to treat battlefield wounds. Historians debate some details, but the story shows how valuable aloe was in the ancient Greek world. No jewels shine with gentler glow than healing gifts the green leaves show. No gold can match the simple art of nature mending flesh and heart. What makes aloe vera so special? Aloe vera may look simple from the outside, but inside its thick green leaves lies a clear gel composed mostly of water along with numerous beneficial plant compounds. The gel contains vitamins such as A, C, and E, minerals including calcium and magnesium, amino acids, antioxidants, Polysaccharides, which are natural plant compounds studied for their soothing properties. These substances are one reason aloe vera has remained popular for thousands of years. Health benefits. Aloe vera. When weary skin had met the sun, or battles harsh had just been won, the humble aloe came to aid, a living balm the earth had made. 1. Soothing the skin. One of aloe vera's most famous uses is supporting skin health. For generations, people have applied aloe gel to dry, irritated, or sun-exposed skin. The cool gel provides moisture and creates a soothing sensation that many people find comforting. This traditional use is one reason aloe remains a common ingredient in skincare products today. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Aloe vera contains antioxidants called polyphenols. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. A diet rich in antioxidant-containing foods and herbs may support overall wellness and healthy aging. 3. Hydration support. The gel inside aloe vera leaves is composed largely of water. Historically, travelers crossing hot regions sometimes used aloe preparations as a refreshing source of hydration. Staying hydrated supports digestion, circulation, energy levels, and healthy skin. 4. Traditional digestive support. Various cultures have traditionally used aloe vera preparations to support digestive comfort. In many healing traditions, aloe was valued as a soothing herb for the digestive system. Individuals consuming medications should consult healthcare professionals before also consuming aloe vera products internally. 5. Beauty from nature. Long before modern cosmetics existed, aloe vera was considered a natural beauty treatment. Its moisturizing qualities made it popular among queens, noblewomen, and healers throughout history. Today it continues to appear in creams, lotions, masks, shampoos, and other personal care products. Ancient facial aloe vera mask recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon fresh aloe vera gel, from a leaf, or pure store-bought aloe gel. 1 tablespoon raw honey. Instructions. In a small bowl, mix the aloe vera gel and raw honey until smooth. Apply a thin layer to clean skin, avoiding the eyes. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Finish with your regular moisturizer if desired. Why these ingredients? Aloe vera, traditionally used to cool and hydrate the skin. Raw honey, naturally moisturizing and soothing. In the ancient world, honey was called liquid gold, while aloe vera was known as the plant of immortality. Together they remind us that some of nature's greatest treasures are also the simplest. Patch test first. Apply a small amount to the inner arm and wait 24 hours to check for irritation or allergy before using it on the face. Stop use if irritation occurs. Aloe vera around the world. In India, aloe vera became part of traditional wellness practices. In China, healers incorporated it into herbal preparations. In Greece and Rome, physicians described its uses in medical writings. Across continents and centuries, countless cultures independently recognized the plant's remarkable properties. Just a few herbs have earned such widespread respect. O aloe vera, brave and true, the ancient world believed in you. Your healing story still survives, bringing comfort to countless lives. A living survivor. One reason aloe vera has survived for so long is its incredible resilience. The plant thrives in harsh environments where many other plants struggle. Its thick leaves store water, allowing it to withstand drought and intense heat. Perhaps this resilience is one reason people came to see aloe vera as a symbol of healing, endurance, and life itself. From the tombs of ancient pharaohs to modern homes around the world, aloe vera has traveled an extraordinary journey. And though the ages drift away, your emerald leaves still softly say, the greatest treasures we can find are gifts of earth for humankind. For thousands of years it has served as a symbol of healing, beauty, and renewal. Whether admired for its fascinating history, its soothing gel, or its enduring place in traditional wellness practices, aloe vera remains one of nature's most beloved plants. And perhaps the greatest lesson aloe vera teaches us is this: sometimes the most powerful gifts are not rare treasures hidden in distant lands. Sometimes they are growing quietly in a simple green leaf, waiting to be discovered. Not all treasures sleep beneath the sea, nor rest within a king's decree. Some grow in silence, green and fair, like aloe's leaves in desert air. A gift of healing, pure and true, a timeless blessing born anew. Do you ever used aloe vera as a remedy? Please write in the comment section below. Please watch my next nutritional healing video or my nutritional healing video podcast. Please check out my related to this video affiliate shopping links. Stay healthy and keep learning from nature. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.